Solid waste can affect us on a daily basis. When rainy season starts, people can see in the drainage ditches the garbage that has been previously accumulated while rainy streams move it around, causing problems for the public sanitation. According to the World Bank, each Nicaraguan is generating 0.8 kilograms of garbage per day, but the percentage of solid waste collection only reached 82% in Managua in 2018. In our preliminary analysis, the landfills in Nicaragua run a high risk of contaminating the water. Consequently, coordination between the municipalities is required to comply with the basic construction standards of solid waste management. Due to a lack of information, people usually know nothing about the public contraction related to the solid waste management. It is urgent for us to establish advocacy channels for solid waste disposal for public and private sector collaboration. Solid Waste Harvest was born from a solid waste collection and storage information system, with a team made up of 5 experts from different fields of research in solid waste management, geographic information system, software developers, data analysis, and government officials.
I'm Hong Yuanqing, leader of our team. Everybody can call me Thomas. In this special moment, Taiwan Presidential Hackathon, I want to introduce our logo and project name, Solid Waste Harvest.
Hi, my name is Gerson Gonzalez. I have over 13 years experience as software developer, mainly with GIS, web, and mobile technology. I enjoy sharing my knowledge with other people, reason why I become a teacher in the National University of Engineering. I also work with the National Territorial Studies Institute and other public institutions as consultant.
Hello everybody, I am Alberto Calero. I joined to ICDF family since 2 years ago as a graphic and interface designer for software development. I'm always learning new skills and tools for do a better job.
Hi to everyone, my name is Carlos Amador. I'm passionate about technology and education. Now I work in the National Technological Nicaragua with the Hackathon Nicaragua team.
Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Chang from Technical Cooperation Department of ICDF. I am responsible for cooperate and manage the technical assistance projects between Nicaragua and Taiwan. My professional is horticulture, forestry, and also learn something about solid waste management.
Most of my career I dedicate to be an agronomist. Work for International Cooperation and Development Fund ICDF as a specialist of rice and climate change. But I have learned to be a hacker from last year because of the development of an application Arroznica. For helping the farmer here in Nicaragua, it seems like a turning point for me, that I found a new page in my life. And now, I'm very excited to be here to learn and share.
In this and many other projects, I work with the government and international organizations like ICDF. This has helped me build the confidence to always offer integral solutions. I admire the vision that the hacker could help the SDGs and generate more open data to contribute to this work. I believe this hackathon will be a significant experience for me and my team's members.
On the team, I always know that all images and video will be part of my work in order to find a best way to organize and present all the information we collect and create a platform friendly to users. I need to be a data architect as well. In this hackathon, I got to inspire. Results would be distinguished if we thought about human experience instead of user experience.
It seems my ideal job that I can contribute myself to promote this innovative activity and be the mentor for those participants that enhance my ability enormously.
In the project, I am in charge theory of change.
and information collection of solid waste treatment. I believe that incorporating information tool into this area is necessary, and it will be work also get a great impact.
In our project, we will have a round analysis on investment in the solid waste sector with the data from national bidding website Nicaragua Compra. Through the classification of public procurement data on solid waste management, information filters are generated through periods, places, suppliers, amounts, and categories to show transparently to the citizens of Nicaragua. Later, we can enter a discussion about what will be the most appropriate investment in implementation in those projects.
Therefore, we can say that a useful tool is created for the analysis of solid waste public procurement data, and the amount of data will be a measurable indicator. In the near future, the Keeping Our Country Clean team will publish 100% of the data in Nicaragua with the keyword solid waste. In addition, the team will deliver an analysis report with professional recommendations to the public sector. To have a better investment for solid waste management, not only will the bidding process be analyzed, but they will also be combined with an analysis in the GIS system.
Garbage Amount is a GIS tool about simulation of amount of trash generated in our country. Now we are showing a drainage ditches map with district scale, but we are still working for a smaller scale with layers of house density. To improve our trash transmission model, we want to add the recommendation of routes for garbage collector trucks through critical points called hotspots.
Hence, in the next step, optimization of the garbage truck routes and hotspot generation will be required. This tool is designed for a lower solid waste transportation cost. And they want to increase 30% in garbage collection rate. This is the traditional solid waste collection route plan. The truck will go through all of the streets and will carry the amount of garbage according to the population. Sometimes there is an extremely large amount of garbage. When the truck is full, it must leave and call another truck to take over the service. The second truck still needs to go through a portion of the previous route. It is possible that this truck will not fill all of its space because the task is administratively divided by districts and it has to return to the landfills. Through our route optimization system, we can immediately review the number of trips and transport plans, generate new routes, and modify the routes that work at the same time, reducing the cleaning cost. Keep Our Country Clean is built in a replicable model and highly related to SDG, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, and trying to do their best to finish the compilation of cartographic base of the whole country. This is a great potential. Through the data of the Institute of Territorial Studies, they are creating another useful tool.
Proper location is showing the landfills in use with evaluation, becoming a place for the deposit of solid waste. We work with the layers of water resources, soil use, and try to combine with other indicators. Through these decision-making tools, we help to reduce and avoid contamination of the landfills of each municipality, apply the current standard, and have an improvement plan for those in use.
In this tool, the resolution of the map's layers and evaluation standards should be improved through field tests. If a landfill gets higher score, it means that it has less risk of contaminating the water, which translates into less impact for the population. But if there is a landfill with low score, we should take action and communicate with the municipalities for an improvement plan. The selection standards should be incorporated for those new landfills. And there are strong relationships with SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, and SDG 3, good health and well-being. Combining all the decision-making tools, the Solid Waste Harvest project generates their webpage as an integrated platform. The next action is collecting the information and policies and educational materials to offer the Nicaraguan citizens a better channel of public incidents for solid waste management, so the people will have more conscience to take care of their hometown. We hope that more stakeholders in the Nicaraguan government system will be involved in the project to widely enhance the effectiveness in the future. All of the efforts will be presented by this action map. A prototype of the product will be delivered to the Commission of Creative Economy so they can be shared with the other institutions. Step by step, integration opinion meetings will be held first and then meetings with the government. As a government advocators, it will be a great success if the tool is incorporated by the whole state, used by researchers, citizens. In addition, solid waste management is not only a problem in Nicaragua, therefore, other countries could benefit from it. More interinstitutional coordination will be created, and all of the stakeholders' knowledge in solid waste will be reinforced. Creativity eventually will come out while working with an interdisciplinary collaboration team. The garbage issue remains a less explored niche in Nicaragua, since Solid Waste Harvest is the first project in combining scientific analysis and environmental education. Our best wish is to keep our country clean and meet the sustainable development goals for the Nicaraguan population.